When you open PowerShell 7 on your Windows 10 PC and see a message like this, it simply means a newer version is available and you're currently running an older one. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly update PowerShell to the latest version, which is 7.6.0. To begin, open any browser available on your computer. In search bar, type the following URL and press enter. This will take you directly to the official PowerShell GitHub repository. Scroll down a little bit, then click on Releases. Here you will see latest release of PowerShell. Scroll down slightly to view downloadable files. Make sure to choose the correct file for Windows. In this case, click on the PowerShell Windows 64-bit MSI file. The installer file will begin downloading. Wait for it to complete. Once download is finished, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Then, double-click the installer to launch the setup wizard. On Welcome screen, click Next to continue. I usually keep the installation path as default, so go ahead and click Next. Here, I highly recommend selecting all available options, then click Next. Make sure all these boxes are checked and click Next again. Then, click Install to start the installation process. The installation and update will begin. Just wait a moment for them to complete. When installation is complete, click Finish. Now, when you open PowerShell 7 again, you will notice that it's running the latest version. So, I hope you learned how to update your outdated PowerShell 7 version to the latest version on Windows 10.